Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of documenting my journey until I signed my first SMA client of $1,000. Today I made a few phone calls to the people in Florida. To be exact, I don't know, and few mails. See, I made this many mails. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, 4 are people open the mail, but no one respond. Few cold DMs, few cold calls, but no response for the 8th. So this is what I did today. But problem with that, one thing that I am facing is not having proper data about not getting uh, leads. So I am using the OG method for SMMA going on USA or any other country you want to. Currently, I'm using this country USA, going Florida, searching for solar installation, going for this, then searching it on Instagram DM, cold DM, cold mails, and cold calls, all of three at the same time. And that's it today for me. I didn't sign a client and didn't book an appointment. I have made a list of 3, 4, or 5 people who are like their personal cell phone number I got, but they were busy, so I will call back them maybe today or tomorrow and tell you about it. And why am I making this series? Reason behind this is that to learn how to speak proper English. That's it. Not for use, but for how to speak proper English. And that's it, guys. Thank you.